Really pretty. Flowers that bloom in the winter. These guys bloom every year. Really like them. And they never really die. They're just like evergreen. The blooms will fall off and then they'll just be like, you know, this stuff right here most of the year. Yeah, they're pretty amazing. I really like them. They smell like narcissus, but I really don't know if that's what they are. That's probably what they are. I don't know. I'm not too up with the flower kind of thing. I know a lot about other plants and herbs and stuff, but flowers, they're just kind of a fun thing, and I don't know too much about them. If you guys have any idea what these guys are, just let me know in the comments, okay? Thanks for watching.